Hello friends, in this video I will show how to save a Google Sheet on desktop. So guys, if you want to save Google Excel sheet on desktop, so follow these steps. As we can see, we have this worksheet, and in this workbook we have some important, and in this workbook we have some Google Sheet. So to save this workbook on your desktop, click on File, Download. You can download as Microsoft Excel. You can download as Open Document or PDF. And there are some more options like web page. So for example, you want to save as PDF, select PDF. Now export as, so select workbook. You will able to see all pages here. In my case, it's 8 page in this workbook. Here select all worksheet, then apply. You can make paper size like A4, A5. You can create portrait or landscape and see which is better for you. Here you can select normal or scale to fit to width. And see the result. In formatting, you can show or hide guidelines. You can show or hide notes, page order, and here you can show these all options or hide. Page numbers, workbook title, sheet name, and current date, current time. Also, you can edit custom field. You can change this title. You can add here. Then just click on export. Now once this downloading process complete, open it, this PDF in any PDF reader or in any browser. Another way, file and click on print. Same, customize and modify these settings as your requirement. Then next, here select save as PDF. Then save it. Give any name. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.